Welcome to another episode of Pakistan on a Plate. My name is Nilofer Afridi Kazi. Today's recipe is an unusual drink. Pakistan is largely an agricultural society. Lots of fruit and vegetables. Hence, lots of juice. Sugarcane, ganna juice on every street corner. Many varieties of orange, juiced, pomegranate, the fruit of Eden. And of course, carrot juice. Kanji, a fermented drink made from black carrots. Yes, black carrots. They grow in little quantity and are considered a particular Lahori beverage. It is made in spring and kept throughout the summer and thoroughly enjoyed. Kanji may be a Lahori spring beverage, but the roots of this drink are from our neighbor, Afghanistan. Before we get into the recipe, let's explore the story of the carrot. There are white and yellow carrots, pink and orange carrots, and purple carrots. 5,000 years ago, this root vegetable was developed in Afghanistan. It is a cultivated vegetable. Travelers, explorers, conquerors, and traders brought it to the four corners of the world. Yup, it is a superfood. The only definition I could find of the word kanji was in a Sanskrit dictionary. Rice, water, gruel, or starch. Believe you me, it is none of these. Today we're going to learn how to make kanji from my uncle Tariq Hussain, a family friend, connoisseur of food of Pakistani delights. Today he is going to show us how to make black carrot juice, which is traditionally called kanji. So let's go meet Uncle Tariq. Thank you so much for teaching us how to make kanji today. Lengthwise, Uncle?
Lengthwise. Maximum like matchsticks.
All right. Okay. And Uncle Tariq, I've heard that, these black carrots or purple carrots really are from Afghanistan. And they came here through travelers and conquerors. But all carrots actually came from Afghanistan. So I'm curious, why is this a Punjabi drink?
They came from Afghanistan. They are indigenous.
Gee.
But actually they came from outside. And if you look back to the 16th and maybe early 17th century, none of these vegetables were in common use.
That's true.
Very tasty.
And this particular one, if you look at the purple color, apparently it has 12 times the amount of antioxidants. And this, blueberries have the same antioxidants. The color is also similar.
That people are just forgetting their sort of, traditional food, which is very, very unfortunate.
Do we only make kanji, or have you heard of us making halwa or?
No, I have never.
There is no tradition of it.
Available only for a short while. Now, interestingly, they are available in spring.
Only.
They're not available earlier. The hot weather has set in.
Yes, that's what I understand, that you keep the drink for the entire summer.
Exactly.
So it's like a nice prepping of as the summer season is in our way.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't realize people actually eat this after the drink is made.
They eat it.
Really? The kanji carrot actually tastes quite sweet and quite yummy. It isn't bitter as you would imagine, but it's not sweet either. But it's actually quite yummylicious. I was told to remove the spine of the... But it's not necessary.
Why should you?
Okay, alright. Because Uncle Masood was telling me, please remove the spine. tell me what happens with the sunlight, this fermentation?
No, the main thing is that it provides that warmth.
Okay.
That's
And
all.
through the warmth, what happens to the carrots with the masala?
Warmth, I mean, they get properly,
Okay. And does anything happen? Like in the sense,
alcoholic? No,
not at all.
When you start drinking it, you can extend it a bit.
Okay, so if this, we are now in end of March, and it will be done say first week of April. So how long can it last? A month.
Traditionally, घड़ा लेते हैं जो
मिट्टी का बना होता है।
मिट्टी का घड़ा,
तो फिर हम वो क्यों इस्तेमाल
ये
करें?
कर सकते हैं। Of course, that's the right thing to do.
तो वही आपके पास
तो वो
घड़ा?
नहीं, मगर नया घड़ा लेते हैं।
हाँ।
नया
ओके।
वो लेके उसमें वो डालते हैं।
तो अंकल जरा हमें बता देंगे कि मसाला क्या है?
ये राई है, उसके बाद काला नमक।
Okay. What's the difference between काला नमक and normal नमक?
काला नमक जब जहाँ ये माइंस हैं
जी,
वहाँ पे there are veins.
So काला नमक is a natural salt.
Absolutely, yeah. It's
Okay.
yeah.
And ये भी हमारे पहाड़ों से निकलते, comes from our mountains.
और ये of course मिर्च है। अब मिर्च आपने डालनी है तो आप डाल दें।
ये
मुझे तो अच्छा लगता है कि थोड़ी सी मिर्च हो।
अच्छा, so traditional kanji में डलती है या नहीं? डलती है।
2 tablespoons.
Oh, 2 tablespoons. So that's 6 of these. 2 tablespoons of kala namak. And half a teaspoon of mirch.
ना अब थोड़ा सा इसमें पानी निकाल के
This is 1 liter of water.
अब इसको अच्छी तरह से So you add the water and then just close it up.
The next step is we take the kanji and put it in the sun all day. When the sun comes down, we bring it in, and the next day put it out again. We repeat this process for 4 days till the drink is ready to be drunk. Let's cheers, Uncle.
Yes.
Let's see how it tastes. Interesting. Very tangy.
Not everybody likes it. I put in chilies.
You put extra chilies,
don't
Uncle?
want
4 days later, I'm having this wonderful fermented kanji drink. Tangy, spicy, and an incredible addition to your summer beverage. Here's to you. Until next time, Khudafis.